G'day everyone. Let's talk about ONPASSIVE, this really cool company that's all about using technology to make life easier for businesses. Imagine a world where you have all the tools you need to succeed online, all in one place. That's what ONPASSIVE is trying to do, and it's pretty exciting stuff. ONPASSIVE is a tech company. It's focused on artificial intelligence, or AI. They want to make doing business online simpler and more effective. Think of them as your new best mate in the digital world. ONPASSIVE is all about helping businesses thrive in the online world. They do this by providing a whole suite of AI-powered tools and services. It's like having a whole team of digital experts working for you 24/7. But before we dive in, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Now let's dive into the good stuff. What does ONPASSIVE actually offer? Well, they've got a whole bunch of products and services, all designed to boost your online presence and automate your business. Think about things like website builders, marketing automation tools, and even a super smart CRM system. These tools are all connected and work together seamlessly, making your life a whole lot easier. One of the coolest things about ONPASSIVE is that it's all about automation. This means that once you set things up, the system does the hard work for you, so you can focus on what you do best running your business. Okay, so how does ONPASSIVE actually make money? It's a good question. ONPASSIVE operates on a subscription-based model. This means that users pay a recurring fee to access all the amazing tools and services. It's like joining a gym, but for your business. The more people use ONPASSIVE, the more revenue they generate. It's a win-win situation, really. Businesses get access to powerful tools, and ONPASSIVE gets to keep innovating and developing even better solutions. But wait, there's more. ONPASSIVE is also big on affiliate marketing. This means that users can earn commissions by referring new members to the platform. Section 4, ONPASSIVE 2.0, the relaunch and a new era of innovation. Hold on to your hats, folks, because ONPASSIVE is about to get even better. They're gearing up for a massive relaunch, and it's going to be epic. Think of it as ONPASSIVE, but on steroids. They're introducing a bunch of new features and improvements, all based on feedback from users like you and me. This shows that they're really listening and committed to making ONPASSIVE the best it can be. With the relaunch, ONPASSIVE is poised to shake things up in the digital world. It's going to be a game changer, and you definitely want to be a part of it. Section 5. Why ONPASSIVE matters. A beacon in the digital age. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, it's more important than ever for businesses to have a strong online presence. ONPASSIVE provides the tools and resources to make that happen, without the need for technical expertise. What sets ONPASSIVE apart is its commitment to ethical business practices and its focus on community. They're not just about making money, they're about empowering people and businesses to succeed. ONPASSIVE is more than just a tech company. It's a movement. It's about creating a level playing field in the digital world, where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Section 6. The future is now ONPASSIVE's potential unleashed. The future of ONPASSIVE is looking brighter than ever. With its innovative technology, dedicated community, and commitment to excellence, the sky's the limit. They're constantly evolving and expanding, always looking for new ways to help businesses grow. Imagine a world where running your business online is effortless and automated. That's the future that ONPASSIVE is building, and it's a future we should all be excited about. ONPASSIVE has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business online. It's a powerful platform with a bright future, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes a household name. Section 7. Joining the ONPASSIVE revolution. Your ticket to success. So, there you have it, folks. ONPASSIVE is changing the game when it comes to online business. With its powerful tools, innovative technology, and supportive community, it's no wonder that more and more people are jumping on board. If you're looking for a way to take your business to the next level, ONPASSIVE is definitely worth checking out. Who knows, it might just be the best decision you ever make. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of something truly special. Join the ONPASSIVE revolution today and unlock your business's true potential. For more information, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.